Good morning, students. What is an adjective? We studied this in the previous video. A word that describes a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective, like big, boring, purple, and obvious are all adjectives. So these words are describing words, so they are called adjectives. Now we are going to study the degrees of comparison in adjectives. Adjective change in form when they show comparison. So there are 3 degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. So first we will study the positive degree of comparison. An adjective is said to be in positive degree when there is no comparison. Then we come to the comparative degree of adjective. So in this there is comparison. An adjective is said to be in comparative degree when it is used to compare two nouns or pronouns. After this we study the superlative degree. An adjective is in superlative degree when it is used to compare more than two nouns or pronouns. We use the article before the superlative degree. So always before superlative degree we will use the article. Now we'll study the formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjective. How we are going to use these words. Adjective usually form their comparative and superlative degrees by adding er. When we are using it in comparative degree, we will add the word er to the original word and est to the positive degree. When we are writing for superlative degree, we will add est to the positive degree. But now we have an exception to this rule. Adjectives that end in y and have a consonant before y. Consonant are alphabets other than the vowels. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So if it is y before a consonant, change the y to I before adding on er or est. Like for example, happy. So before y it is p, so that is not a vowel. So we will remove the y and we will write happier, happier for comparative degree, and happiest for superlative degree. We double the last letter of some adjective before adding er or est. This is another rule. Example, when we are writing big, big, now we will make the last letter, we will write it again, bigger, bigger, when we are using it in comparative degree, and biggest, biggest, when we are using in superlative degree. Now the third rule is we add more and most to many adjectives of 2 syllables or more to form a new comparative and superlative degree. Like in the word delicious, 3 syllables are there. So we will not use er or est in these words. We will use in comparative degree it will be more delicious, and in superlative degree it will be most delicious. Some adjectives have completely different positive, comparative and superlative degree. Like the word good, we will not write gooder, we will comparative word is better, and we will not write goodest in superlative degree. The superlative degree is best. In the same way, the word bad, comparative degree is worse and the superlative degree is worst. And little, so the comparative degree is less and the superlative degree is the least. So you have to remember these words and don't apply the rule that is told to you for comparison of adjective to these words. So students, I hope you have understood the rules, and now let's open the book on page number 54 and do the exercise. Write the correct forms of these adjectives. The first word is already done for you, soft. Then the comparative degree is softer, softest. Easy, easier, easiest. Cold, colder, coldest. Honest, more honest, most honest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Danger, more dangerous, most dangerous. Silly, sillier, silliest. Now we are changing the Y into IER and IEST. Then quite, quieter, quietest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Again here the Y we are changing into IER and IEST. Cheerful, more cheerful and most cheerful. Careful, more careful and most careful. Old, older, oldest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Here we are doubling the last letter. N we are using double. Dry, drier, driest. Again here Y we are replacing with IER and IEST. Now again good, better, best. We are using them in their fixed form. Tall, taller, tallest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. White, whiter, whitest. Popular, more popular, most popular. Fast, faster, fastest. Now we come to the next exercise given on page number 55. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison. This is the dash room in the house. The word given is small. So because the word is given the, we will use the superlative form, that is smallest. This puzzle is dash than the previous one. Here the word than has come. That shows that it is comparison. So word given is easy. We will write it easier. Manjusha is the dash girl in the class. The word given is bright. Now because they have given the word the, we have to use the superlative degree. So we will use the word brightest. The stream gets dash after this bend. The word given is wide. So we will use it in the positive form. No comparison, no superlative degree. Wide. Yesterday one of the dash days of my golden life. The word given is good. Now they have used the word the here, so we will use the superlative degree of good. That is the best day. Chennai is dash than Bengaluru, and the word given is hot. And here they have used the word than. That means it is a comparative sentence. So we will use the word in comparison, hotter. They felt very dash after the game. The word given is hungry. So here we will use it in the positive form, same, hungry. Nina is dash than Pari, and the word given is fast. So here than word is come, so that means it is comparison. So we will use it in the comparative form, that is faster. Vinudha is dash than Amudha. So here the word given is tall. So we have to use in comparative degree. So we will use the word taller. A lion is dash than an elephant. Again here this is a comparative sentence and the word given is small. So comparison will be smaller. Sarfaraz is the dash in boy in class. The word given is confident. So here we will use word is given the, that means we have to use superlative degree. So we will use the word most confident. I want something dash than this. The word given is cheap. So we have to use in the comparative form. So we will use the word cheaper. So all the students, complete your work till here and learn the rules. When you have to use positive, when you have to use comparative and superlative degree and exception to the rules. So will you do that? Okay, study well and share and subscribe the videos with your friends. Thank you.